Good morning, my name's Quentin. Today let's take a review of my Craftsman belt drive garage door opener. As you can see, there's a wall button right there. Now let's do a quick opening. Now let's close it. And I need to show you the model number really quickly. There's the model number right there. It is 139.54920. There we go. We got it. We got this video, so let's stop this video really quickly. I was just pressing that button on my clock. Oh, it's just my cat. It's our cat. Well, okay, so kitty. And I mean, there's a cat right there. Well, this is the garage door opener right there. All right. So, thank you for watching that video. So, hope you enjoyed this video. So, and see you later and take care, everyone. Bye.